What's going on, everybody? This is another update video. Show you how you can take your doors from this to this. Okay, so basically, like I said, we take our poplar wood. Made a video about this before. Just want to make it a little more complete. Take our poplar wood. This is a basic 2. It's a 1x4 by, there you go, 1/4x3x4. And you can pick this up at your Lowe's or Home Depot. All right. So basically, we just measure it and we cut it on a chop saw. Okay. If it's older cabinets, you definitely want to prep your space. You know, you want to sand or even clean your cabinets off. You know, but you definitely want to prep your space. And basically, to install it, what we're doing today is we just put a little, power grab. Put a little power grab on there. Put them in place. That's what these are held in power grab to make sure it's totally square, because we are doing this for a client. You want it to be right. Okay. So just make sure it's totally square. And then to finalize it, we use our pin nail, or we use our brad nailer, using 30 to 1/4 inch nails. And we just simply secure nails in average spots. You can see right here. And we've done so many of them. We basically, like I said, we're just taking your cabinets from this to this to give it a shaker style. Then after that, we're going to prime it, we're going to paint. We do another update video on that. We're going to prime and paint with some good product. So basically, all you need to do is go out and get you some poplar wood. Okay, poplar, Poplar. Poplar wood, 1/4 inch, 3x4. Actual measures are 2.5 inches wide. Take it, you cut it. We got the horizontal, we got the vertical. Do not adjust your screen. Then we're using the power grab, as a base. Lay those in place, and then we're gonna nail them with 3/4 inch nail. You want to measure the depth of your door, because you don't want the nails to come through. Okay, and then we're gonna take our wood filler, color change the wood filler. We're going to hit these seams. We're going to hit any little nail indentures and whatnot. Then we're going to prime and paint it. So next video, we'll be priming and painting. Hopefully we've gave you some information that you didn't have before.